You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Monday, June 19th, and we are back from our little vacation that we were on. Hopefully, the videos that I posted up were worthwhile for people. We got a lot of requests for newbie investors, and they are definitely bottom level intro for people to start to get investing. So I hope people enjoyed that. It wasn't the best week to be off for the show because of E3 and so much news that was coming out. So we are really behind. This week I'm going to be doing a follow up for all the stock that we review that pertains to video games. So we're going to have some E3 follow-ups for every company. And also I'm going to try and filter in some of the news each day. So today we're going to try and go through 4 articles quickly to get back into the swing of things. We're going to be live once again Monday through Friday. So check us out. We'll stream on YouTube and Twitch. So today what we're going to be going over is Activision. We're going to do Nintendo. We have a new console that could be entering the race, and we're going to look at some WWE news. So a little mix of E3 follow-up with actual new news. So each of those is going to get their own video posted up on YouTube today and a recap. And that's what we have coming up live for the show. So stay tuned for all of that. So the first one I wanted to go over is Activision Blizzard and the follow-up from E3 and what that could mean for their stock. We're big fans of Activision stock. It has run up huge lately. E3, they don't have a huge standalone presence anymore. They usually tag on to PlayStation. And this year's focus was really Destiny 2 and the new Call of Duty, World War II. So the big one to me, and the most hype that I see from people, is the Call of Duty World War II. We'll post a link to Charlie Intel. They have all of the news and all of the recaps for them. Call of Duty World War II. The only thing that people really are a little iffy on is the basic training selection. I'll pull that up real quick here. And how that's going to work loading out your characters. Other than that, the multiplayer reveal looked great. The game looks great. And I came away... I didn't expect too much from Activision with E3. We kind of know what they're going to come out. And if you look at their roadmap, if you look at their earnings releases, they're pretty upfront with what they're going to release. So everything looked good from what they had. One big thing that was missing, and it's still the people that said they were going to release it for the Nintendo Switch, we'll put the article there, bad5.com, they still claim that World War II is going to come out for the Switch. I bought into them prior to E3. I said that would be a pretty good reveal for Nintendo. It certainly wasn't there. They're still claiming that it's going to be out. I'm saying it's all but no way at this point. I think Activision pretty well said it's not going to come out. But, you know, as far as investing in Activision stock, they don't need it. I think eventually they'll start supporting the Nintendo Switch more, and we'll get into that with we go over Nintendo. One of the things, let's look at Activision. Activision right now, they're up almost 2% today, 1.6%. Activision, one of the big reasons why I like their stock, they do pay a dividend. It's not a big dividend. So that's not... The fact that they pay one is all good, but it's not a huge one. It's about the same as you'd get for putting your money in the bank. But their forward earnings, they're starting to get a little bit pricey as they run up, but they continue to beat expectations. So almost 25 times forward earnings. That's the high end of average for the S&P. the big thing that Activision's got going for them is they are a cash machine. Free cash flow 2 billion. Price target wise, they're looking good. It's hard to get accurate price targets when you're looking at analysts and stuff, but Yahoo, they've got them at a $61 price target. Yahoo's usually fairly low when they do it, so they're getting close to that. Analyst, and there's not a ton of analysts that cover it. Let's pull that up over at Tip Ranks. We'll go there. They've got them as high as $68. Average is around 60, high 68. But you'll notice not a lot of people cover Activision. I think Activision still has a lot of games coming out that are gonna get older viewers back into it. There's been rumblings. I'll pull it up on IGN that there's going to be a remaster of Diablo 2 and Warcraft 3. That's actually been rumored for a while. I think they can go to the well and pull up those games. Overwatch, they've got a brand new franchise there. Skylanders is still going strong for the kids. Call of Duty, there hasn't been this much hype behind Call of Duty in a long time. And Destiny 2, the number of people that play Destiny is ridiculous, and the community behind it. So they have some of the strongest online communities out there, and their stock has been doing pretty good over a very long period of time, as you can see. So post E3, we liked what we saw from Activision. Kind of just showing us more of what they've got coming up. Pretty conservative with what they've got, but the buzz behind it is super strong. So we still like Activision stock. We are going to be buying more stock this week, so look for that video. I don't know if I'm going to buy up more Activision. We got a lot of stocks that we're looking up, but I'll be doing a purchase this week for the kids' portfolio. Not sure if it'll be Activision, even though we still like Activision stock and we think it's going to run. We may have some others beaten down that'll give us a better opportunity. So let me know what you thought of Activision at E3. World War II multiplayer. A lot of people buzzing about that. I think it looked great. Activision, they are in the best spot next to Nintendo, I think, as far as investment goes in video games. So they're probably number 2, Nintendo being number 1 right now. Thank you, everyone, for watching live. We're going to be back live at our normal time, Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Contact the show. Info is behind us. Tweet us, email us. Put your comments in the videos that I post on the recaps. Very good to be back, and look forward to recapping E3 all week and filtering in the other news that comes up. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. We will see you tomorrow.